What's up, Facebook? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live this morning. Super excited. Just got through corresponding with Miss Amisha Patterson. She's super excited. So, in fact, let me show you guys the inbox message this morning. So, once you guys that have requested more information, you finally look at it. That's becoming a theme now. You know, people are saying, "Man, I'm so glad I finally got around and looking at this. This just makes sense." So when she finally got a chance to looking at it, she's been a credit customer. She's been working on her credit, and so here's her response. I'm ready for this. Log in and see if there's an upgrade marketing up because I don't really know that yet. I'll find out in just a minute. And here's what she says. My score is rising. Okay. So if not, go directly to the enrollment page, which is shiftmycash.info. Select the 4790 option. Thanks, you rock. Also, I'm so happy to be a part of this movement. So, folks, the credit repair is consistently working for people. I mean, every day we're getting new testimonials. And she says that she's been working on her credit score for a few weeks now. Many of you asked weeks ago. Many of you. You guys asked weeks ago, okay? Well, give me one more month. I assure you it'll be at 750. And so her credit score is constantly rising. And I'm constantly hearing people paying all kinds of ridiculous monies to get their credit score fixed. So, folks, she literally paid $99 one time. That's it. $99 one time as a customer. Start working on her credit, and it's consistently going up. And now she decides, you know what? Because she's in our group, okay? She's in our group. Hold on one second. She's in our group here, our exclusive group. She's in our exclusive group as a customer, as a credit customer. I put her in this group to let her be a fly on the wall and see what's going on, and she's convinced. She's just flat out convinced that she needs to join this business and make this money. She's seeing people get immediate raises on their jobs right away from just joining, okay? She's been watching this for weeks, and, you know, you can't just sit back and watch this for weeks. When you have a job, you could use a raise on your job, and you could use some more extra money to accelerate your credit score going down. Because some things that you are going to have to just pay for on your credit. Okay, you went and got the loan for it, you got to pay for it. All right, and so we're getting things disputed and deleted. So shouts out to my girl Amisha, man. I'm making this about her this morning because she is one of my personal. I've been showing you guys some personals and some people that have not been my customers. I just like to share everybody's success. But she personally enrolled with me when a lot of you guys requested information weeks ago, a lot of y'all requested information about the credit. You saw the video about the errors that have been made with the 3 credit bureaus, breaches and stuff. You requested more info, sent you the info. She took action, and she's one of many. I'm just excited for her this morning because she just hit me up this morning like, man, I'm ready to do this. I'm ready to do this business because my score is going down. And then she knows how to do her own credit now. She knows how now. She can literally start her own credit restoration business and charge people $300-$400 if she chooses to. But guess what? She's choosing to join this business. And she may even do that. Who knows? She probably don't even know that she can do that. But a lot of people are doing that in this company right now. So shouts out to Amisha Patterson, man. You know what I'm saying? One of my customers, personal customers, who applied the credit strategies, and her score is going up. And she can assure you that within 1 month, it's going to be going up to 750 plus. Y'all get with me, man. 750creditsolutions.info. If you just want the credit repair, $99 one time. Y'all are paying ridiculous amounts of money. Ridiculous amounts of money. Let me show you. 750 Credit Solutions. You're going to go there. If you don't want to become a marketing director, you don't want to make money, okay, you don't want to get your raise on your job, you just want to get your credit fixed. Go here, scroll down to the bottom. This is the information. Okay. Click to get started one time, $99. That's it. No monthly fee. That's what she did. She joined, paid this one time, $99, and then she went to work. She went to work. She didn't sit on the information. You guys may want to share this video, okay? Because there are people out here that want to get their credit repair fixed, get credit fixed. And people are being robbed out here. And in fact, she's one of the people that told me about another company, 2 companies, that she's been dealing with that she didn't get no results from. And they've been paying way more money than a damn $99 one time. Now she's decided to join us in business. That makes sense. You know what I'm saying? I kind of wish she would have joined the business at first, because she could have been in profit mode, making some money, got a raise on her job, and fixing her credit score. But she just saw value in just getting the credit to see if it was going to work for her, and it is. It has. And so she's deciding to upgrade to marketing director. So I just want to show you guys this, man. This ain't no joke, okay? And for those of you that are ready to get started, if you're seeing this on my timeline, because we have friends that's going to be sharing this, go to their link. Don't go to my link. But if you're watching this from my timeline, you just go to shiftmycash.info and then get yourself started. Folks, get started, okay? That's the biggest thing. That's the biggest thing that you can do for yourself and your family, is to get started, okay? You got to get started. Stop requesting more info and get started. I'm showing you proof. Once again, shouts out to my girl, Amisha Patterson. Credit score is going up. Again, she paid $99 one time, but now she's ready to get this thing crunk. Thanks. You rocks also. I'm so happy to be a part of this movement. Now she's going to upgrade herself from credit customer, to marketing director. And even with that, you still can have access to credit repair. Okay? Get with me, folks. James R. Davidson signing out. Peace.